Right, that's enough chill. How about some dance floor beats? What about, let's do this one. Ready to hit the dance floor, lead up, I've called it. So this will get everyone going, hopefully. One for the weekend. Save it for Saturday, because we've got other work to do today, other digital work to do that requires focus and concentration because it's a Monday morning. Let's get a bit of the weekend already in our lives with this one. Ready to hit the dance floor, lead up by taletellerclub and Beats Ministry.